Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to replace the taillights on my 2008 Chevy Tahoe and show you kind of step by step how to do that with these LED taillights. They should be a lot brighter. As you can see, this light is out and the braking light on this light is also out. But the parking light on this light is on. Does work. Step one, let's open up the trunk. We need to loosen up these two bolts. With a little bit of elbow grease, you want to pull this out. These two guys are basically press fit into this hole right here and one up here. So it's the top bulb that's out for me. So let's go ahead and remove this. As you can tell, it looks pretty dang burnt. Wiggle it out. Has been in there for a very long time. The filament on the top half is all gone, but not on the bottom half, which is why I still get that brake light. Grab your new bulb. We got an LED bulb for this case. Stick it in there. Now you want to line up both these pins on the top and bottom right into those holes I mentioned, the hole right there and one on the bottom. I just push it in. And screw the screws right back in. We have the new bulb in this side and the old bulb in on this side. Let's see the brightness difference. As you can tell, that light is very bright, much brighter compared to that one. You can tell just on the wall that this side is a lot brighter as well than that side. Now let's finish up on this side. Line these guys up. Put a little bit of elbow grease on that. Okay, that is the parking brakes. Parking brakes. Brakes. That's so dang bright. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Hopefully that helped you out. If you want to check out these light bulbs, have a link down below for your convenience. This is Chris, always appreciate and respect another. See you next time.